Well, after a rainy and chilly day yesterday, we are back to clear skies this morning, but a weather alert for some black ice out there and also the latest on that winter storm that's on the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current conditions. It's beautiful out in Newport Harbor right now. Clear skies and breezy and chilly morning, though we're still hovering right around the freezing mark, which is not terribly cold for a December morning. East Providence right now at the clear skies too, looking out into the capital city. The reason our threat tracker elevated for early today, that black ice concern. So I expect improving conditions by about 8 or 9 this morning. Wednesday daytime, you're fine. You still have errands to run, traveling into work. No weather related issues expected even through the evening commute. But Wednesday night into Thursday, a high impact storm here with heavy snowfall and poor travel. Conditions will be improving through the afternoon and evening on Thursday. So here's all the weather alerts that we have ahead of this winter storm. Much of the mid-Atlantic region now upgraded to a winter storm warning. Here in southern New England, it's still a winter storm watch, but as we get closer to the evening hours today, I would expect that to be upgraded to a warning. That means there's the likelihood for 6 inches or more of snow, and we are expecting more than that at this point. So here's our storm impacts: heavy snow, significant travel impacts. We're going to be tracking some gusty winds as well that'll reduce visibility, cause some blowing and drifting snow, possibly even some near whiteout conditions at times. Live radar, it's quiet right now, and it'll stay that way through the day today. Upper 20s to low 30s leaving the house. The wind chill is in the 20s, and that's because of these winds. They're at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we'll see some gusts to 20. So wind chill is expected to stay between about 25 and 30 this afternoon. Right now, it's even chillier than that. Wind chill currently in Smithfield of about 20 degrees. Lots of sunshine in store for today, though, and that'll help to bring our temperatures up into the middle 30s, mid to upper 30s in the second half of the day today, holding on to the sunny skies into the late afternoon before we bring in some high clouds towards the evening hours. By 6 o'clock, we're already down to 30, and it's going to be cold tonight under mainly clear skies. Look for lows to dip into the teens, about 15 to 20 at this time tomorrow morning. So a very cold start to the day Wednesday, which will set the stage for us to see accumulating snow with this storm system. So it's actually 2 pieces of energy, one in the Texas Panhandle right now, another forming off of the Florida coastline, and those combined will lift northward to give us our nor'easter. High pressure ahead of it, locking in the cold air. Here comes that snowfall Wednesday evening. This is 8-9 o'clock, so the leading edge of the snow pushing in the late evening hours, and then through the night Wednesday and into early Thursday morning, we're talking snowfall rates of maybe 1 to 2 inches an hour. So it's coming down heavy, and as the day goes on Thursday and that low starts to move away, the intensity of the snow will start to ease up in the afternoon before winding down in the evening hours. So we are looking at about 8 to as high as 12 inches of snow for most of southern New England. Could see some spots that get over a foot of snow with this storm system. Exact track will determine who. I have the amounts a little less on the outer Cape and islands because of the potential for a little bit of mixing there and a lower snow to liquid ratio. Looking at our wind gust potential, possibility of some gusts over 40 miles per hour, especially at the coast. So with that on Thursday morning, that's when we're expecting those near whiteout conditions. So again, heavy snow, travel impacts, gusty winds, and coastal flooding. Here's that 7-day forecast. So nighttime snow on Wednesday, a high near 30 degrees. If you do have to travel on Thursday, the afternoon is when we're going to start to see some improving travel conditions, but expect it to be very poor travel conditions through the traditional morning commute hours on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, cold and dry.